Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PACV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price movement broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So I want to just map out a couple levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above, what is that, 3 cents. So don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below 3, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 3 cents, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 3 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, key level right now up there at 0.045. If you just go back on kind of a quick little history of the chart here, you can see that a couple days ago, the price got right up around that area, couldn't quite push through it, and then right there, directly rejected from it. Here, yeah, the price actually did break above it, but that was very temporary. So 0.045, without doubt, definitely public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, build higher bases, and as long as higher bases are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice move this past couple of days. Let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon the trend next week or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.